In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add links to your YouTube channel. So you can see here, I've got a link added and I'm going to explain how you can do it. So first, you need to open up your YouTube account. Once you're on YouTube, go to your channel icon in the top right hand corner, then head over to YouTube Studio. Now, once you click on that, it will take you to your dashboard, but to add links, we need to go ahead and scroll down to customization. Now, once you're at customization, go to basic info, and from here, you want to scroll all the way down. Here you'll see links. Now, if you notice on my channel here, the first link is shown and only the first link. So whatever you add here as the first link, make sure it's the one that you want to be shown. You can move them around later, but to add a link, click add link, then go ahead and enter a title. I might want to say here, follow me on X. Then we can get the URL to that link. So here is my X profile, which I've gone to by going to the profile icon. We can go ahead and copy this and you can paste that inside the URL section and click publish. Now that will update your links. Now, because we've got the Instagram one first, if we go to the channel, it will always show first the Instagram and it will say one more link. If you wanted this one to be first, then you can just drag it up to the top and then click publish. Have a play around with moving these around, but the one at the top will show first. But that's pretty much all you've got to do. I hope that helped you out.